Sweet pea. Enjoy that chicken. There's Tux Man waiting on me. Everybody else is here too. Hi guys. I got not frozen food. Good boy, Tux. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Whoa, Marty, be careful, honey. Careful. Come on, Morris. You want over here, honey? Come on, Morris. Come on. I don't see the chickens this morning. What the heck? There you go. Come on, Morris. Right there, honey. Did you know I could talk cat talk? Okay. You guys be good. Yeah, I take it the raccoons couldn't get this out of the bowl last night. It's froze solid. It's cold. It's a shopping day with Michelle. I'm really looking forward to it. Keep me distracted that it's Johnny's last day home before we take him back tomorrow. Keep me distracted about the winter storm incoming. Yeah, but everybody did good last night. I don't think there was anybody on the front porch, but you know, I never can be sure because I can't see from any of the cameras what's going on inside the dog houses. Tempest says it's 27 degrees. The wind's not too bad this morning, but there's a little movement. I can feel it on my face and I can see it in the flags. And not horrible. So it's still looking like we're gonna get a wintry mix. It still looks like we have time to get home before it gets cranking. I heard when it first comes down, or we see precipitation on the radar, it probably won't be hitting the ground until it cools the air and gets cranking a little bit. That's pretty standard. But we don't plan to dilly-dally tomorrow, so hopefully it all goes to plan. Don's worried about packing the car. I'll let him and Johnny sort that out. Okay, I lied about the wind. It's actually really windy. Windy enough, we are definitely noticing it, yeah. We are definitely noticing the wind. Woo, baby! Yeah, the field temperature is 19. This is the coldest walk Don and I have been on so far this year. When those gusts pick up, it's like, whoa. It did not feel like this between the house and the garage because, of course, there's a lot of wind block. And I swear Tux is not feeling this down there in that doghouse. Especially after I covered up the air vent and put those towels over top of it yesterday to keep the draft out from there. Yeah, I mean, wind can come in from the front, but again, it's right up against the house. So he seemed all perky this morning. Be bopping around doing his thing. I haven't noticed any other trouble with his leg. And I have been keeping, trying to be really careful about how I lift him. Not to put too much pressure up underneath that leg. So hopefully I'll keep an eye on him. I will keep an eye on him. But it's not supposed to, these 20s at night are not supposed to let up for at least another week. And so it's just a lot of cold days. It's not like we got, oh, it's cold for a night or two. This is cold and more cold and more cold. It's a little longer of a cold snap than we get sometimes. No one will be complaining that we didn't have enough cold weather to kill any insects this year. She's here. Do we have on a fancy purse today? What do we have?
It's a monster book of monsters.
Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks warm. We need warm today. Yay! Warm is good. Oh, what's nails we got?
Oh, my New Year's.
New Year's. Okay, very cool. Well,
and the year of the snake.
I'm sporting snowflakes for the snow.
Hey, well, hi.
It's tradition when they have super obnoxiously large stuffed animals here. We always make Michelle sit and take a picture. It's only got 25 on it. Is it really, Ty?
Yeah, I think it might be. I mean, it looks like it.
It looks like it. It's definitely looks like it.
No, it's a goofa.
No.
Goofa.
Okay, so it's an off-brand.
Goof enough for me.
I like that, and it's actually a like a cooler sort of a thing, but it's kind of stiff, and I don't know that I've really got room for it in Ruby to be going into Whole Foods, so a like but a no. This is cute. Beware of dog, and then intentionally down here, you can't see it too good, it says the cat is shady too. Gave us a good chuckle. Oh, Michelle, here's a griff finder pillow. We found great new gift bags. Most of them are 50 cents. This pot is $1. Michelle has a hunter enthusiast brother-in-law. We found a wrapping paper set. Got some boxes. They were priced really great today. The glare is bad, but it has the coins in the mat. It's got an expensive mat, and of course I got 50 on it, but it's signed, and it's kind of neat. Haven't seen that one before. There's always something different over here in the frames department, frames and prints.
So good. They look good enough to eat.
It's not a gingerbread or a sugar cookie.
Oh, God.
It does look kind of like a sugar cookie, though, right? All right, well, go do your snow dance so we can all stay in Saturday. And
yeah, my kids are hoping.
Yeah, well, it's going to be gone by Monday.
Yeah.
They're hoping for nothing, but yeah. Bye, girly.
Bye, I love you.
Love you too. I had a really good time in Guardian Angel with Michelle and chatting with our friends, but I'm about in tears. I'm reading a post on Facebook on the Tesla divas, and a bunch of divas had to evacuate their homes and leave their Tesla behind. They're trying to use Sentry mode to see what they can see. They're trying to be in the app to see if they can talk to their car. They're looking at the inside temperature of the car. Several divas know they've lost their house. They know their house is just gone. It's really sad. It's really sad. I can't even imagine. I mean, I know Western North Carolina and the floodwaters that destroyed so many homes, and you can't stop water and you can't stop fire, and I'm not over the Helene thing yet, and yeah, certainly not over the fire thing. My tire warning light came on and I wasn't noticing anything wrong. I just happened to pull into the new Discount Tire here, which is a couple of stores down from Guardian Angel. It no longer shows me what I'm driving, what the pressure is. It's 36. It's probably just because of the cold. I'm trying not to freak out. I don't think I can see mine from the car, not like the newers can, but I can go look in the app. But I'm here in the parking lot and I'm safe, so if there's something wrong with Ruby's tire, if there's a nail in it or something, I'm in the right spot for that. And it's not tomorrow while we're going down the road, so trying to remember where in the app I'm looking that I can see the PSI. Okay, it's under controls. Yeah, I'm at 36, 36, 37, and 38. It just popped up because I'm at 30. It's probably fine. Maybe the nice guys here will give me put a little air in my tires. Dylan came out and put air in my tires for me. I did stand out there with him, so I'm every bit as cold as he is, and he had a hat on and I don't have my walking hat, so... But he was a very nice young man, and he checked my tread, and we're pretty sure I don't have a nail, and since all the tires were low, and they're all aired up now, so that's one less thing Don won't have to do. And I gave him a little tip for standing out there in the cold with me. And I wanted to go over to Harris Teeter, and I just didn't want to come back out to that alert. Alerts cause stress and anxiety, and I don't need that. Of course, now I'm probably in the wrong lane. Well, I'm in the wrong lane probably to make the first left turn, but I can just go down one more light. Or maybe if nobody's coming, I can get all the way across here. We'll see. Yep, I missed on. I missed on. I missed on. I hate this shopping center. The Indian food Zira behind me smells really good right about now. It's not so bad. The wind. I needed a hat. I should be out, not be out here without a hat today. This is definitely hat weather day. The plant pot that I got at Guardian Angel today is outside, and the little Valentine's cat thing is in the attic stairwell already. But I picked up this. We're going to use it as a fairy garden house base. This flat up here, you set the house, and it's got this cobblestone, and thought I'd set it out somewhere in the yard. I picked up this kitty cat paperweight. I have a couple of others of these, but not the kitty cat one. It makes for neat photography sometimes. Storage bin that needs to be washed and cleaned up. Johnny got a green shirt, and I got this big white sweater thing. Nice snowflake colored blue towel, but no snowflakes. 2 really nice boxes. This sort of tie-dyed one, and this green checkerboard, and several bags. Most of these were 50 cents. The boxes were good today. They were $2 a piece, $1.50. The clothes are $4.49. I think this was $2.99. These go for $6 or like $7 now, and you can't find exactly that one at Walmart anymore. But the paperweight was $3. And oh yeah, I got Johnny this ruler for 50 cents, and it's flexible, so he could put it in his backpack and keep a ruler with him, but not break it. And then the mini flag with the leprechaun gnome and the leprechaun hand towel, they came from the dollar store, since I was walking past there into Harris Teeter anyway.